Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to First Commerce Accountancy online classes. We are discussing about the concept called ledger, how to post the journal entries to the book called ledger. Ledger is the principal book of entry, and already we discussed first illustration and we solved that first illustration. There we studied that how we can pass the journal entries and how we can easily post the journal entries to the individual account, say for example cash account or capital account or sales account. I told that ledger is classified into two categories. One is posting, ledger posting and balancing the ledger. Balancing ledger means what? We will discuss that whole concept in the next class. First, before balancing, we need to know exactly the concept of posting, how we can post the journals to the ledger, that is what, to the individual accounts. And we know that to prepare individual account, we need to pass the journal entries. How we can pass the journal entries? What is the base to record the journal entries? What is the base to pass the journal entries? The transactions are the base to record the journal, means to pass the journal entries, correct, right? Let's move to the next one. Relates to the posting, means question is like this: journalize the transaction, following transaction in the books of Miss Mallika Fashion Traders. This question is there in your accountancy textbook, that illustration. Here, journalize the following transactions of Miss Mallika Fashion House and post them to the ledger. When the question continues as post them to the ledger, then we should prepare what the different ledger accounts, or else we need not prepare a ledger account, just passing the journal entry is the final job. Okay. So, transactions are: date 2017 June 5, business started with the cash. Business started with the cash. Just solution. Second one. Very small column to record LF and again date. LF, debit in amount. Okay. First one, 2018 June 5. June 5, business started with the cash. What is the journal entry? Yes, cash account debited to capital account. To capital account. Narration being business started with cash. Amount 2 lakh and 2 lakh. Close this. And next transaction, opened a bank account with the syndicate bank. June 8, opened a bank account with the syndicate bank. Maybe you opened a bank account in Canara or any bank, that is not important. Opened a bank account. What are the two transactions are involved in this? So, bank account and cash account are the two accounts which are involved in that particular transaction. So, when we opening bank account, we have to pay cash. So, our cash balance shows decreased value. So, according to the rules, both are comes under asset itself. According to the rule, increases in asset is to be debited. When we opening a bank account, our bank balance shows increased value. So bank account debited to cash account. Bank account debited to cash account. Narration: being opened a bank account. Amount 80,000. 80,000. Clear? Okay. And next one, June 8. And next transaction, June 12, goods purchased on credit from Gul Manohar Fashion House. Entity name is mentioned. Okay, so how we can pass the journal entries? Purchases account and Gul Manohar Fashion House accounts are the two accounts affected here. So increases in expenses is to be debited. Gul Manohar considered as a creditor. In creditor comes under liability. Increases in liability is to be credited. Correct, right? So purchases account debited. Debited to Gul Manohar account. Gul Manohar account. You can mention the full name. That is what? Gulmohar Fashion House. Gulmohar Fashion House account. Mention the amount or record the amount 30,000 debited and 30,000 credited. Narration: being goods purchased on credit. Clear? Date June 12. June 12. And next one is purchased office furniture and paid check. Purchased office furniture and paid check. See, office furniture is considered as asset, correct, right? Furniture or machinery or building purchased, that is considered as increases in asset. So increases in asset is to be debited. So to purchase office furniture or machinery, what we have to pay? We have to pay cash. So what are the two transactions are recorded here, affected here? But the thing is, purchased office furniture and paid check. Already I told that when check comes, then it directly affects to bank account. So instead of recording cash account, we should use the word bank. So office furniture account debited to bank account. Clear, right? So office furniture asset, increases in asset. Office furniture account debited to, instead of recording cash, we should write bank because paid by check. And here furniture purchased and paid check. Clear? Amount 20,000. Amount, date June 12. June 12. And the next one, rent paid by check. Transaction dated on June 18. Rent paid by check. What are the two accounts? When check comes, affects to bank. Rent is expense. So increases in expenses is to be debited. Rent account debited to bank account because bank account comes under asset. Decreases in asset is to be credited. So rent account debited to cash account. To bank, paid by check. So bank account. Being, here also being furniture purchased, being rent paid. by check. Okay, and mention the amount, date June 18. June 18. Next one, so sale of goods on credit to Miss Mohit Brothers. So sale of goods to Mohit Brothers, when person name comes, then it is credit transaction. Mohit Brothers. See, sale and Mohit Brothers are the two accounts. So increases in revenue is to be credited. Mohit Brother considered as debtor for the organization. So increases in asset is to be debited. So Mohit Brothers, so Mohit Traders account debited to sales account, being goods, sold goods on credit, amount 10,000 each. 10,000, and mention the date June 20. June 20. And the next transaction, continuation, small column to record JF means LF. Next transaction, cash sale, very simple, cash and sales account are the two accounts. Sales revenue, cash asset, when we selling something, our cash shows increased value, so cash account debited to sales account. Goods, sorry, being goods sold, amount 10,000, amount 15,000, 15,000, date June 22. If you are in your notes, pages ends here, then you have to total it again, total this page, and you should write balance carried down, and the next balance is brought forward here as balance brought down, and next you should record the next transaction. Next you can pass the entries for the next transactions. Clear? Next transaction June 25. June 25, the transaction, cash paid to Gulmohar Fashion House, cash paid to Gulmohar. So Gulmohar, there we consider this Gulmohar as what? Liability. So increases in liabilities is to be credited. So we credited that transaction. Now cash paid means that much liability decreasing in the organization. So Gulmohar account debited to cash account, because decrease in asset is to be credited. We are paying cash to that particular entity, so our cash shows reduced value. So how we can record Gulmohar account? Gulmohar Fashion House account debited to cash account. Cash paid to the creditors. Amount 30,000. 30,000. Close the transaction. And next one is received a check from Mohit Traders. Actually we sold to Mohit. So in the after few days on June 28, on June 20 organization sold goods to Mohit on credit. On June 28 they are Mohit Traders paying a check to this particular organization. So check received. So check received a check from Mohit Traders. Here check comes. So when check comes, then it is directly affects to bank account. So bank account shows increased value. Bank account debited to Mohit Brothers or Mohit Traders account. Bank account debited to Mohit. Mohit considered as debtor actually, but debtors account showing reduced value. So decreases in debtor is to be credited. So Mohit Traders account, in bracket, being received a check. Received a check. Amount 10,000. Here rent amount 5,000. 5,000 and 10,000 receipt amount. Bank account worth rupees 10,000 shows increased value. And the last one is salary paid in cash. What is the journal entry? What are the two accounts are involved in that? Salary, when we are paying salaries to the employees or anyone, salaries account is considered as the expense. So salaries increases in expenses is to be debited. When we paying salaries or wages, our cash shows reduced value. So cash comes under asset, decreases in asset is to be credited. So which account is debited here? Salaries account on June 30. Salaries account debited to cash account, being salary paid. What is the amount? 6,000. 6,000. Now the last step is what? Totaling. Total it. Total comes 4,06,000. 4,06,000. 2,80,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000 plus 30,000 plus 10,000 plus 6,000. Total comes 4,06,000 and credit amount column must equal to debit amount column. You know that. And the next, now we clear the first step, that is what? Journalizing the entries. Journal entries are cleared now. And the next, what is the next step? Posting to the ledger. So the second step is we should post this transaction to the ledger. So posting to the ledger is the next step. Posting to the ledger. Before that, how many accounts we need to prepare? One is cash account, capital account, bank account, purchases account, Gulmohar account, office furniture account, rent account, Mohit Traders account, and again here sales account, then here these two already we prepared, bank account and Mohit Traders account, no, Mohit Traders account, salaries account here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 accounts, total 9 accounts. Then, so let's prepare one by one. So first we should prepare cash account. So cash account, credit, debit, date, divide this and date, cash account. Let's analyze these whole journal entries and pick the transaction related to cash account. So here one account, so cash account, bank to cash, another one is here cash to sale 3 and salaries to cash. Okay, so cash account debited. So debited 2 lakh and cash account is affected by capital account. So to capital account. So to capital account 2018 June 5 and please fill these columns: date, particulars, JF, amount in rupees, and date, particulars, JF, amount in rupees. Clear? Okay. So to capital account. Now we consider this one, and next one, bank to cash account. So we are preparing cash account. So how we can record the bank aspect in cash account? Just immediate write cash account is credited 8,000. Cash account is credited cash account shows credit value 8,000. Immediately write 8,000 here. June 8. Mention the date, and that 8,000 affected by this bank account. So how you can record? By bank account. By bank account. So just by seeing this ledger, you can say the journal entry means bank account to cash account. So when we preparing cash, this bank shows credit value. Clear? Bank account shows credit value, bank account by bank account. And next one, purchases to cash, it never affected to cash account, and office to bank account. Now we are preparing cash account, so no effect. Rent to bank, there is no effect to cash. Mohit to sales, no effect to cash, but cash to sales. Cash account is affected here. Now we are preparing cash account. Just cash account shows debit value 15,000 debit value, and this cash account is affected by this sales account. So write as it is to sales account. June 22 to sales account. Clear, right? Okay. So next one, Gulmohar Fashion House to cash account. Here cash account is affected by this Gulmohar Fashion House. So just write cash, very simple. How easily we can post this journal to the ledger. Cash account shows credit value 30,000. Cash account shows credit value 30,000, and this credit is affected with Gulmohar Fashion. So by Gulmohar Fashion House account. Fashion House account. Clear? Clear. And the next one is bank to Mohit Traders. There is no effect to cash account. And now salaries to cash account. So here cash is affected by this cash account, salaries account. So cash account shows credit value. Just write 6,000 in the credit side and record the nearest account, that is what? Salaries account. So by salaries account. Cash is affected by salaries. So by salaries account. Mention the date June 30. And Gulmohar June 25. June 20. Once again clarify if you consider all the accounts or not. Cash to capital we recorded. Bank to cash also recorded. And here rent to bank not affected. Mohit Traders to sales not affected. Cash to sales recorded. And here Gulmohar to cash we recorded. And bank to Mohit not affected. Salaries to cash recorded. So now we completed cash account. Clear? Clear. And the next step is preparation of capital account. Usually capital is affected by only one account, very rare. So date, particulars, amount, LF column, debit aspect, credit aspect, capital account. Just see Can you find any other account which is affected to capital here? No, only one transaction is affected to capital account, that is what? Cash to capital. Very simple. How you post this transaction to the capital account? Capital account shows credit value. Correct, right? Capital account shows credit value. So record 2 lakh under credit side. Credit side. So you know that capital never comes. The word capital never comes under capital account. Correct, right? So which account you can write? Capital is affected by cash account. Correct, right? So mention the date 2018 June 5 by cash account. By cash account. Capital account is credited by cash account, and just there is a close, you can close that account because no other transactions are affected to capital account. Only one transaction, that is what? Cash to capital. That cash is credited by cash. Clear, right? So cash account and capital account clear. So the next step, next account we need to prepare. I'll erase this. Bank account. Bank account. Debit and credit bank account. We should find out the different transactions which are affected to bank account. Clear? So first transaction we recorded, we post the first transaction to the different ledger, and comes to second one, bank to cash. Bank to cash, and we recorded cash related transaction in cash account. Now we should record only bank related aspects. So bank to cash. Okay, now we are preparing bank account. So here bank shows debit value. Debit value. Immediate record this 8,000 in debit side. Under debit side. And then the next step is bank account is affected with cash account. So as it is to cash account. What is the date? June 8. June 8. Clear? Very simple. June 8 to cash account. Now we complete that process of posting that transaction to the concerned ledger. Clear? And okay, this second transaction is also over. Next one, purchase to Gulmohar fashion. Is there any effect to bank? No. Office to bank. Yes, bank is there here. So bank account is affected by this office furniture. So here bank account shows debit value, credit value. So just record 20,000 under credit side of bank account, and after that analyze this bank account is affected by which one? By office furniture account. Office furniture account. So bank account is credited by office furniture account. Mention the date June 12 office furniture. Clear? Clear. And the next one is rent to bank account. Rent to bank. Here bank shows credit value. Just record 5,000 under credit side, and afterwards just see this rent bank account is affected by which one? By rent account. So by rent account. By rent account. Date June 18. June 18. Clear? And the next one is Mohit to sales account. Is there any effect to bank account? No, because just see whether bank is affected in that transaction or not, because we are preparing bank account, right? And the cash to sales, there is no effect to bank. Gulmohar to cash, there is no effect to bank. And the next one is bank to Mohit trader. Yes, here bank account is affected. So just bank account showing debit value, just record the amount to 10,000 and a debit side, and next analyze this bank account is affected by which one, or the bank account is the with which account. Bank account is with Mohit Traders account, just record to Mohit as it is, to Mohit Traders account, to Mohit Traders account. Transaction date June 28, June 28. And next one is salaries to cash. Is there any effect to bank account? Here only two accounts are considered, that is what, salaries and to cash, but here bank account is not affected. So we covered or we considered all the transaction and we posted all the transaction related to bank entries, related to bank account. Clear, right? Clear? Here bank to cash and office furniture to bank, rent to bank, and again bank to Mohit Traders. Only 4 transactions are affected to bank account. Clear? And the next step, already we prepared cash account. The next step is to prepare purchase account. So I'll erase this. Next account, purchases account, and the next account comes Gulmohar fashion account. So purchases, debit, credit, purchases account. Okay. Purchases account shows debit value 30,000 and mention the date June 12. Purchases to Gulmohar fashion account, fashion house. So that 30,000 is affected by that Gulmohar. So to Gulmohar fashion house account, 30,000. Clear, right? Clear, right? So 30,000. And next transaction for office furniture to bank account is not affected to cash, rent to bank not affected, Mohit Traders to sales not affected to purchase, cash to sale not affected, Gulmohar to cash not affected, bank to Mohit Traders not affected, salaries to cash not affected to purchase account. So only one transaction is affected to purchase account, and we record that purchase transaction purchase to Gulmohar fashion account, fashion house account. And the next account, Gulmohar fashion account. Credited and debited. Please fill these columns, date, particulars, LF and JF, debitor, amount column and all. Gulmohar, see, Gulmohar account shows credit value, just record 30,000 and a credit side, and that Gulmohar account is affected by purchases account, and record the date June 12, 2018. And the next search, is there any other account transactions affected to Gulmohar account, office furniture to bank no, rent to bank no, Mohit to sales no, cash to sales no, not affected. Yeah, here Gulmohar fashion house to cash account. So and Gulmohar fashion house shows debit value 30,000, getting my point. And this account is affected by this to cash account, So easily we can record to cash account as it is 2018 June 25 as to cash account, and the other rest 2 transactions are not affected to Gulmohar account. So now let's close this account. We recorded the transaction related to Gulmohar and even purchase account. Clear, right? Clear, right? Now I'll erase this. and I'll prepare the next ledgers and all. The next one, office furniture and bank. Next transaction, office furniture and bank, but bank already we record, bank account already we prepared. Now we need to prepare office furniture account. So very simple, only one entry that relates to office furniture, just posting. But you should fill all the columns in each accounts, debit, credit, office furniture account, office furniture account, and just see office furniture account shows debit value, correct, right? Shows debit value 20,000. How you can record? And this debit balance means that office furniture is affected with the bank account. So June 12, 2018, office furniture to bank account. So to bank account. To bank account 20,000. Bank already we prepared. Rent account, and the next one is rent account. Only one. And just search, is there any other transaction which is affected to office furniture? No, right? So just closing that account. Date particulars is the next account, rent account. Rent account and credit side and debit side. Rent account showing debit balance 5,000 and rent account is affected by that cash account. So sorry, to bank account. So to bank account entry to rent to bank account. Just record the amount, the date June 18. June 18. Here is the end of that particular transaction. There is no other effect to a rent account. So, and the next one is bank already we prepared. Next we need to prepare that is Mohit Traders. Mohit Traders. Mohit Traders account. Credit and debit. Credit and debit. Mohit Traders account showing 10,000 debit value, and that account is affected by the two sales account. So write just two sales account and June 20. June 20. Is there any other effect to Mohit account? No, right? Mohit. Mohit Traders to sales account. No. So here is the only one account, only one transaction is affected to Mohit Traders account. No need to search other transaction. Yeah, here one more account is there. June 28 received check from Mohit Traders. So Mohit Traders shows credit value 10,000. Mohit Traders shows 10,000 value credited. This Mohit Trader is affected by this bank account. So by bank account. By bank account June 28. So two transactions also covered. Clear, right? Clear, right? That is how we can post the journals to the ledger, to the individual account. So Mohit Traders. Next move to the next one. Next one. Here cash is prepared, already we completed. Sale also, Gulmohar Fashion House also, again cash account, bank account, Mohit Traders account. Cash account is already prepared, only one account is remained, that is what? Salaries account. So salaries ledger we have to prepare. Salaries account. Credit and debit, date particulars JF, date particulars JF, and see salaries account showing debit value 6,000, 2018 June 30 salaries account showing 6,000 debit value, and this debit value is means salary is affected with this cash account. So how we can record to cash account? Clear? So now we considered all the transaction and we post all the transaction relate to the individual accounts, correct, right? We prepared cash account, we prepared capital account and bank account, purchase account, Gulmohar account, office furniture account, rent account, Mohit traders account, sales account and this salaries account, and we post this journal to the individual ledger account. Then only we can get the correct net result of each and every transaction. I hope you understood clearly how we can pass the journal entries and how we can post these journal entries to the book called ledger. That is what the different individual accounts. So that how we can prepare the different individual account. We can prepare different individual account based on the transaction, based on the journal entries from the book called journal. We can post the journal to the ledger, and just by seeing that ledger account we can easily pass the journal entries. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.